Are you videoing?
Hmm?
Are you videoing?
Mm-hmm.
You want to get some online?
No.
Can you send it to me?
Maybe. Oh my gosh. And now he's looking at the camera. Come on, do it again.
You will. Give him a minute. You have to kind of put the phone down for a second so he doesn't see it because he knows.
Oh.